Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your workspace and clay so shaping is efficient. Take about 50 g of clay split into black, white, and orange. This gives proportion control. Roll a black oval for the body and a smaller white oval for the belly. Press the white into the black and smooth the seam so it adheres. Once done, check balance by setting the piece upright. Make minor adjustments now because fixing shape later is harder. Next, you build the penguin's character. Roll a head-sized ball, tilt slightly forward, and join it with a light overlap so the join supports the chin. Press 2 thin black wings, flatten their bases, then blend into the sides for a natural shoulder. Add a white face patch and use a toothpick to place tiny eye indentations. Insert small black pellets or pinpoints of clay. Finally, form a short orange beak and press in place. This defines expression, and to finish you refine surfaces and protect the form. Smooth fingerprints, add feather lines with a fine tool, and create a small flat base so the penguin stands. Follow your clay's instructions to cure, bake at specified temperature, or let air dry fully. Allow complete cooling before painting or varnishing. If the piece sags during curing, brace it and rebake in short intervals. If cracks appear, fill with fresh clay, smooth, and recure. Make sure to inspect joints after cooling to ensure durability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.